Okay, everyone. Today, I want to quickly show you the live, real payment proof of receiving money from the Anglo-American website. You can see I currently have 320 rupees in my account. I will show you this amount by withdrawing from my IME Pay account. Watch the video carefully until the end, and if you guys are new to this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's start. I had made a 320 rupees withdrawal request on January 14, 2024 at 9:49 a.m., and it was successfully processed after some time. After waiting for some time, I received a transaction notification on my mobile phone confirming that the payment has been successfully sent to your account. As you can see, I have successfully received the funds in my IME Pay wallet at 2024-01-14, 10:41 a.m. You can view the proof of the successful transaction in my withdrawal statement records. Within 1 hour, I successfully received the payment from the Anglo-American website in my IME Pay account. So guys, I recommend you join quickly and start free online earning before it's too late. This website is newly launched and provides real-time earnings. Take advantage of this opportunity to receive real money quickly. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, feel free to show some love. Like, share with friends. Drop your thoughts in the comments box and don't forget to hit the subscribe bell icon for upcoming free cash earning videos. Have a great day, and once again, thank you for your supports.